All right, today we are going to start with our C major scale with just the right hand only, starting with half notes, set up to a C position, and here we go. After we hit the third finger here, we do need to cross to the thumb, and that's going to set us up for the rest of the scale. So we can land on that C up there with the pinky, and here we go, right back down. Once we get to the thumb and we've run out of fingers, we'll put that third finger back to where it started, and we've completed our scale. Good work. Here's quarter notes, so a little faster. Same exact thing. As we get to the top, we're going to bounce right back down, place the third finger back to where it started, and we're all set. Here we go, 8 notes. Awesome. Okay, here we go with the left hand. C position. Now the left hand, we are going to go all the way through the hand first, and then once we get to the thumb, we're going to cross that third finger. So you'll find that the third fingers here are very, very important. Once we get to the 3 on the way back down, we'll cross to the thumb, put the hand right back to where it started. And here we go with our quarter notes, 1 beat each. Crossing to the 3. On the way back down, after the third finger, we cross back to the thumb. Here we go, 8th note, speeding up. Yeah, good work. All right, here we go, hands together, back to half notes. Nice and slow. Once we get to the right hand third finger, we're gonna cross. Here's third fingers together. Work on the way back down. Again, we're gonna hit third fingers and something needs to happen. So as we go through this, I like to almost think of it as like a third finger sandwich. We're gonna do that one more time here with half notes. Our third finger sandwich, we're gonna hit our 3s together here, then cross, a series of 1 and 2s, and then we hit our third fingers together again. Cool. Here's our third finger, so something has to happen. Meet up the thirds again, and we land. Here we go with quarter notes, hands together. Third fingers go together, bounce right back down, cross the left hand, cross the right hand. Awesome, one more time with just quarter notes. Get that a little more comfortable before we speed it up to 8th notes. And here we go with 8th notes. We'll do this a few times together. Work. Here we go again with 8th notes. Ready and awesome. Last time with 8th notes. Here we go and challenge mode. We're gonna add some 16th notes in. Here we go. Woo-hoo, good work. Here we go one more time. Yeah, good work today. Fantastic.